Wenatchee, Wenatchee, Wenatchee. What are we making today? We're making Bill Cowles' mother's spaghetti sauce. This was posted in 2009 in the Wenatchee World newspaper from Washington. Apparently this was a thing back in the early 1900s in Little Italy, New York. This recipe has been cut in half because it's just for me. We've got a pepperoni stick. It said 2 pepperoni sticks for the original recipe. I cannot find small pepperoni. That's a pepperoni log. I'm still not sure how I'm going to handle the pepperoni. Original recipe called for 2 cans, double everything. I know that's 3/4 pounds lean ground beef, 1/4 pound Italian sausage, 1/4 cup black olives, 1 green pepper, 1 medium orange, 1 medium onion, canned sliced mushrooms. It said you could use fresh as well, but it did start with canned, and it didn't say to drain the liquid, so we're going to put all of that in. We've got pepper, basil, oregano. I will put the original recipe in the description and the halved recipe, and we'll be using our decor today. Our decor, like mini wok. That's kind of cool. Wenatchee, World newspaper. Part of his family's cultural heritage, Marie Cowles, now 93. So somehow I landed on the Wenatchee World News website. He calls it the best spaghetti sauce in the world. I'm going to put that in the title. The best spaghetti sauce in the world.
Let's put this back in the fridge. I'm not ready to cook. Let's put this back in the fridge. Those onions are pungent. All right. Hang on a minute. Hold on a minute. Oh! Spaghetti. Oh, there's no room.
So I still haven't decided how I'm going to cut the pepperoni. It's a big log. This is hardly a pepperoni stick. It's kind of fun that this is like 2009. What is that? 2010 to 2024 is 14 years. 15 years old. So this recipe was posted 15 years ago on the Wenatchee World newspaper. That's pretty cool, I think. Did I mention that it's supposed to cook all day? It didn't say cook covered or uncovered. I think we gotta try it. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
I've decided to go with pepperoni cubes. The recipe calls for thinly sliced pepperoni. It's just such a big... Oh, maybe we'll go with... No, we're going with cubes, and we're gonna go small cubes.
Three-quarter cup. Sure. Garlic powder, pepper, oregano. Oh, that's pepper. Pepper. Whoa, that's a lot of pepper. Salt. That's a lot of salt. Tomato paste. A whole can. Said a whole can. Red wine. I almost forgot the wine. Half a cup of red wine. How much sugar? Hey, Gracie.
So hard. So hard. Okay.
Half a tablespoon of brown sugar. It says it's the secret ingredient. And pepperoni. We're guessing on this.
Let's stir this mofo. Okay. Well, this should be interesting.
We are at 4 hours simmering. It looks delicious and smells delicious. At 2 hours, I added 1 cup of water. I felt it was just too thick. I'm going to simmer it for 1 more hour uncovered. I think we should try it. I have not tried it. Wow. It's spicy. It's salty. It's pretty darn tasty. I think the saltiness might work on the pasta, but it's spicy. There was a lot of pepper we put in. Plus we've got the pepperoni. Let's try this. Here we go. Ooh, it's spicy. Oh, it's good. Well, I like that. I'm not sure about the pepperoni. The chunks, I'm not sure about the chunks of pepperoni. Maybe it should have been sliced. Let's just try it again. I don't want to use up all the pepperoni, but let's just try the pepperoni again. Yeah, it's good. I have no idea how this is going to taste in the pasta. It's got a pretty good kick. We put a lot of pepper in there. I don't think we have to simmer it for another hour. Maybe we'll go another 30 minutes. Let's see. I got the thumbnails. Starts to firm up a little bit once, if it sits for a while. Can't hurt. Okay. Ma Cowles. Best spaghetti in the world. Should we slurp it? Let's slurp it. You know, we put a whole green pepper in there. I can taste it. It doesn't taste oniony, even though we put a whole onion in there. Let's try the pepperoni. Pepperoni's a little chewy, but it's spicy. The pepperoni is spicy even after it's been cooking for 5 hours. Let's take another bite. Here we go. What I don't like right off is that the sauce kind of disappears, and I love sauce. I put in that cup of water after 2 hours because I thought it was just too thick. I like a soupy sauce. Let's try some. Let's get some meat and pasta together. All right. It's really good. It's very tasty. You can see the green peppers. Here we go. I really like it. It's different. It is salty, but on the pasta it's not as salty, so that's good. Let's try to get a smaller mouthful. Big mouth. Oh! The problem I'm having with the pepperoni is it's a little bit more, the texture is different than the meat, and maybe that wouldn't have happened if I had sliced it or ground it, you know? Grind up that pepperoni so it's the same consistency as the beef and the pork. I think the flavor is very good. Thank you, Bill Cowles, for sharing this recipe. Man, it is spicy. I don't know if it's because of the pepperoni or all the pepper we put in, because it does have a kick. Not the kind that like sticks with you after a while, but it... It's too big. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Oh.